Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now by signing into the Google account you'll use for your profile. Enter precise business details, name, address, category, because Google matches them to maps and search. Once done, pick a verification method. Postcard is common, but phone or email can be instant. Make sure photos and primary hours are on hand. They improve visibility. This first step locks in your identity on Google and prevents future listing conflicts, so act deliberately and accurately. You'll now claim or create the listing in Google Business Profile Manager. If a listing exists, claim it. Otherwise, add a new business and enter service areas and contact details. Carefully choose primary and secondary categories. These drive search relevance. Upload a clear logo, a cover photo, and at least 3 interior or service images to build trust. Once you populate services and business hours, Google can display richer results. This middle phase is where visibility is earned, not assumed. Finish by completing verification. Enter the postcard code or accept phone or email confirmation. After verification, review every field, enable messaging and reviews, and assign owner or manager roles to your team. Publish your profile and monitor for suggested edits. Make updates for hours and special dates. If verification fails, make sure your address matches postal standards, remove duplicates, and retry. Contacting Google support can resolve persistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.